The Delhi government has announced a series of austerity measures aimed at reducing fuel and energy consumption following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal for cost cutting and conservation amid the ongoing conflict in West Asia. The announcement was made on Thursday during a press conference by Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. As part of the new measures, government employees will now work from home 2 days every week. The government has also indicated that similar guidelines will be issued for the private sector, encouraging flexible work arrangements. In addition to remote work, several other steps have been introduced to reduce fuel usage. The use of government vehicles has been curtailed, and petrol allocation for officials have been reduced by 20% from the existing limit of 200 litres. A key feature of the plan includes Metro Monday, under which ministers and government officials will be encouraged to use public transport every Monday. The government has also appealed to residents to observe one no vehicle day each week. Office timings across departments have been staggered to ease peak hour traffic congestion. Delhi government offices will now function from 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. while Municipal Corporation of Delhi offices will operate from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. The government has also announced that no new vehicles will be purchased for the next 6 months. In addition, transport allowance for employees will be increased by 10%. Traders and businesses have been urged to shift cargo transportation from trucks to trains wherever possible. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta stated that the government has prepared a two-wheel strategy to manage the situation and urged cooperation from both government employees and the public in reducing fuel consumption. She added that the measures aim to promote fuel conservation, encourage public transport usage, and reduce traffic pressure in the city. So viewers, will these measures encourage long-term changes in how both government employees and citizens use transport in Delhi? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.